Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Nissan Qashqai Acenta Premium. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 12 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 25,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic pearl black and looks in great condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. You've got a nice clean interior. And then the fabric on the seats is really hard wearing, and there's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention, and the car also has climate control, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you then have your electric folding mirrors and full window controls. The Qashqai has been a popular car for families for many years now. You can see why. You open the rear doors, a nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you then also have some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the gunmetal grey 17-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.